Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to add multi-language support to your hosting or website, which is a must for global reach. First, log into your hosting or website's dashboard. Now head to the login plugin section and search for the multi-language plugin like Translate Press or Wiglot. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to the plugin settings and choose the default language of your website. You can then add additional languages from the list provided by the plugin. Start translating your website's content. Depending on the plugin, you may have options for automatic translation or manual translations for more accuracy. After setting up the translations, preview your site and test switching between different languages to ensure everything works seamlessly. And that's it. You have now added multi-language support to your hosting or website. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.